Welcome to Cuisina Channel. Today, we will give you a tour of Atlantis main casino. Atlantis Paradise Island main casino is located at the Royal Tower. They have 85 table games, including blackjack, baccarat, craps, roulette, let it ride, 3-card, poker, progressive, ultimate Texas Hold'em, and many slot machines in a relaxing Caribbean atmosphere. Hours of operation: slot machines 24 hours daily, table games 12 p.m. to 2 a.m. The casino offers free drinks. The moment you sit down to gamble, a waiter will make his or her way over to you and ask what you would like to drink. Keep in mind that smoking is not permitted in the main casino. The casino has amazing glass chandeliers that seem like living creatures. The casino is at the heart of Atlantis, and you pretty much have to go through it to get anywhere, especially if you are going to the Marina Village. Although not a large casino by any means in comparison to Las Vegas, but it has everything you would need. If you like to gamble, it's all there for you. It's busy, energetic, and loud. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. Greetings from Cuisina.